Hi guys. Hi. Okay, so this is my new Dokkan Awakened Broly. Anyway, yeah, I lost some characters leveling up this Goku. Kind of a pain in my butt. But yeah, does anyone understand why Majin Buu has this thing on his head?
Tell in the comment down below.
As my sister said, share in the comments down below. Because you're here, Zell. That's why I told him that. Huh? Yes, you do. Well. Okay. What's the Goku?
I don't understand.
Well, Dokkan's successor, Piccolo. Super Saiyan 2 Goku Angel. Super Saiyan Gohan. Super Saiyan 2 Goku. Goku.
Oh, what am I doing?
Super Saiyan 3
Freddy.
2
I want to
Goku.
do Bonnie with Chica.
Super Saiyan 3 GG Goku.
7.
Head Boo.
7.
Super Saiyan 2 Gohan. Oh snap. I dropped my phone. Super Saiyan 5 Goku. Super Saiyan 3 不是的。Super Saiyan Blue 好有很 Goku。 Majin Vegeta. 我只是 Super Saiyan Broly. Okay, that was my Stitch impression. I'm so sorry. Anyway, I just wanted to show you my new Dokkan Awakened Broly, so bye.